The James Webb Space Telescope has simply sent Earth an enormous censure, and it's drawing nearer. This warning comes from the exoplanet Proxima B. With each new picture sent back, additional questions emerge, leaving experts terrified. Every view from this distant planet makes us wonder more about the mysteries of the universe, raising doubts about a potentially dangerous planet near Earth. Could there be an adjacent alien planet with hostile intentions? Could Proxima B, out of all places, pose a threat to our very existence? The question of extraterrestrial life has fascinated humanity for centuries. However, with advancements like the James Webb Space Telescope, it has become an inquiry we can explore more thoroughly than ever before. Yet, the universe isn't making it easy to find answers. We continue to use our best tools, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, to get brief glimpses of distant planets and galaxies, hoping to uncover evidence that could indicate life beyond Earth. We should remain hopeful, but each new image and piece of data reminds us of how little we truly know. While these discoveries could be groundbreaking, they also highlight the vast and complex design of the universe, leaving us with more questions than answers. Understanding a distant planet like Proxima B could redefine our place in the universe. For astronomers, this is exciting, but for most people, it often feels like just another piece of distant, unique, and sometimes overwhelming space news. These revelations raise more questions than they answer, prompting many to wonder how this impacts life on Earth. Could Proxima B truly harbor life or even intelligent life that might one day pose a threat to us? Despite the legendary power of the James Webb Space Telescope, it can only show us a limited amount. Sure, we've learned some incredible things, like the fact that we now have stunning new images of Proxima B and that the universe is far larger than we ever imagined. But what comes next? The potential implications of these discoveries feel as immense as the universe itself. Proxima B, discovered in 2013 due to its gravitational interaction with its star, was a significant scientific breakthrough. Finding this exoplanet was like discovering a new celestial neighbor. Proxima B is slightly larger than Earth and orbits its star every 11.2 days, making it an intriguing subject for further study. From a scientific perspective, the possibility of a distant world so close to our own is compelling. However, for most people, it's hard to connect with a place that is 25 light-years away. To put that into perspective, even the fastest spacecraft humans have built would take thousands of years to reach it. Imagine what it might be like to stand on Proxima B. Its star, Proxima Centauri, would appear as a faint red light above, a lot cooler and dimmer than our sun. Proxima B orbits so quickly that a year there lasts just over 7 days. One side of the planet constantly faces the star, meaning it's locked in perpetual daylight, while the opposite side is shrouded in eternal night. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but the reality would be far more extreme. On the bright side of Proxima B, any water would likely boil into steam due to constant heat exposure. On the dark side, however, water would freeze into solid ice. The planet's star, Proxima Centauri, is also not a stable and predictable neighbor like our sun. It emits dangerous flares and intense radiation, making Proxima B's surface a hazardous place for life as we know it. This isn't the kind of place where humans would want to settle. Interest in finding life beyond Earth peaked in late 2020 when researchers detected a strange signal coming from the Alpha Centauri system, where Proxima Centauri is located. This signal had an unusual frequency of 982.551 MHz, capturing everyone's attention. Such a signal could theoretically indicate advanced technology, but it's too early to draw any conclusions. More recently, the James Webb Space Telescope sparked even greater excitement by suggesting that Proxima B might have water vapor in its atmosphere. Water, as we know, is a crucial component of life, and its presence could be a game-changer. To better understand how much water is present on Proxima B, experts are using advanced techniques like spectroscopy. This method allows them to identify gases surrounding the planet, acting as a cutting-edge investigative tool. By analyzing the planet's light spectrum, scientists can detect specific gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, all essential for life. The search for life on Proxima B presents enormous challenges, not just in terms of space travel but also in proving that life could exist in such a hostile environment. The planet is bombarded by intense space radiation, and its atmosphere may not provide much protection. Moreover, the distances involved are so vast that new propulsion systems are needed to make space travel to Proxima B feasible. Concepts like solar sails, particle propulsion, and even more theoretical ideas like warp drives offer exciting possibilities for future exploration. However, these technologies are still in their early stages and require extensive research before they can be used in real missions. While dreaming about future space travel is exciting, we need to stay realistic. Finding life on Proxima B is filled with technological and scientific hurdles. Only by advancing our technology and expanding our understanding of the universe can we hope to unlock the full potential of distant worlds like Proxima B. This endeavor isn't just about satisfying curiosity. It's about pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Could we one day step foot on Proxima B or even contact life there? As we consider the long journey to Proxima B, finding aliens no longer feels confined to the realm of science fiction but instead seems like a genuine, tangible possibility. This remarkable shift from a distant dream to a scientific endeavor has drawn significant attention from cutting-edge organizations like Breakthrough Initiatives. These groups are dedicating vast resources to transforming what would typically be an impossibly long journey, one that could take centuries, into a mission that might be completed within decades. The goal of reaching another star system within a human lifetime has gained momentum and confidence within established scientific circles. However, these grand ambitions are quickly tempered by the stark realities of our current technological limitations. Without significant advances in space exploration, traveling to Proxima Centauri, even at just 4.2 light-years away, still presents daunting challenges. Current propulsion systems are neither fast nor efficient enough to make such a journey possible within a reasonable time frame. The Breakthrough Starshot project, one of the most ambitious programs, envisions using powerful laser-driven sails to propel small spacecraft to speeds of up to 20% of the speed of light. While this idea shows promise, it is still in the experimental stage and requires overcoming several technical and logistical hurdles, such as shielding against space debris and ensuring reliable long-distance communication. Even at 20% of the speed of light, a spacecraft would still take 22 years to reach the Alpha Centauri system, a timeline longer than many people's lifetimes. Yet, the challenge of reaching Alpha Centauri isn't just about overcoming technical obstacles. There are natural barriers as well, such as the sun's gravity, the presence of space debris, and the sheer vastness of the distance involved, all of which pose significant risks. Communicating with a spacecraft en route to Proxima B would also require transmitting messages across time. It would take nearly 4 years for a message to travel from Earth to the spacecraft and vice versa. Despite these complex challenges, the desire to explore other star systems continues to grow. It is driven by humanity's deep-seated love for discovery and exploration rather than practical necessity. Even ambitious efforts like Starshot, which aims to send a spacecraft to Alpha Centauri using lasers, face many practical challenges. However, solving these problems could revolutionize space exploration. Still, the potential dangers involved, including communication delays and natural hazards, require careful planning. Many scientists believe the rewards far outweigh the risks. Finding life elsewhere in the universe, especially on a planet like Proxima B, is worth pursuing. Although the challenges may seem insurmountable at times, the search for knowledge and the future of humanity in space remain incredibly bright. In the future, the question will not just be whether we can reach Proxima B or other distant stars, but how soon we will overcome these challenges and make new discoveries that will redefine humanity's place in the universe. As we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of Proxima B and other distant worlds, it becomes increasingly clear that the pursuit of space exploration is not just a scientific endeavor, but a reflection of humanity's innate curiosity and desire to expand the boundaries of our understanding. The potential to discover life, or even to connect with intelligent beings, is an enticing prospect that drives both the scientific community and the public imagination. However, it also compels us to consider our place in the universe and how we might interact with extraterrestrial life should we find it. The idea of interstellar travel has long been a subject of science fiction, but now, with advanced developments in technology, what was once a dream is beginning to feel more like a realistic pursuit. The search for habitable exoplanets like Proxima B is just one part of a much larger goal: to expand human presence beyond Earth. This pursuit has inspired new ways of thinking about space travel, propulsion, and the very concept of life itself. As we push further into space, we are forced to reconsider what constitutes life, how it can exist under extreme conditions, and whether our current methods of exploration are sufficient to meet these challenges. While Proxima B stands out due to its proximity to Earth and its potential to harbor life, it is far from the only planet being studied for signs of habitability. Numerous other exoplanets are being discovered each year, many of which are located in what is known as the habitable zone of their respective stars, the region where conditions might be suitable for liquid water to exist. These planets, though distant, provide scientists with valuable data on the types of environments that could support life. However, one of the biggest challenges facing the search for life beyond Earth is the sheer vastness of space itself. Even within our own solar system, the distances between planets are so great that space travel remains a monumental challenge. The prospect of reaching Proxima B, located 25 light-years away, or other stars in neighboring systems, requires new technologies that could drastically shorten travel times. Proposals like the Breakthrough Starshot initiative, which involves using powerful lasers to propel small spacecraft, offer a glimpse into how we might one day send probes or even human missions to these distant worlds.